He's not happy because he can't hear me now. I can hear you, Oggy. I've got the best of both worlds here.
Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor getting loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
So we went.
Going in there.
What's he talking about now? He's interrupting me. So went in the cow shed. Looks nice food there. It's not that bad, expensive wise. But we never got out because there weren't much for Oggy. And he says he would have had something. He wouldn't have. He wouldn't have enjoyed it or would have heard about it all day. So I said, right, we'll go Grindleford. At least we know we'll get something there. So we've been there. Sausage, egg, chips, beans, a massive fucking bap. It was like a UFO. But we polished it all off, and now all I want to do, he wants to go for a ride. I just want to go home and go sleep. I'm fucked. Got a fill out. I've got 56-mile range. It's only 49 miles to home, but I don't like my little fuel light coming on. So we're heading to Matt now.
Silence is golden.
Got him singing now because he can't hear shit. He's fucked something up with the Cardo. Messed about with it. Can't hear it. Look at him play with it now. But he wants to hear his big brother. He forgot to put his tank bag on, so we've got no visor fucking cleaner. The wazzock. He never leaves home without his tank bag normally, Oggy. He must have been that excited to get out on bike, so we got it this morning.
If you're on filter, you'd have to go past me and I follow you. So you don't want to filter. Oh, you do want to filter.
So as you get all relaxed, Doug. Go on, mate, what are you doing? You're on a fucking bike, get past them. Oh, get in gear, mate. Got him, Oggy, got him. Oh, Oggy's behind me, he's penetrating my bottom. Yeah, he is. And I don't like it, because it's virginized. Yes, it is. Nod to my fellow bikers. I'll nod to the bastards right now.
Beetle got a few jack and shit in my ear. Oh. That's smart to leave me fucking thing, Cardo, like this.
I'd fucking like you leave it like that, Oggy, you cunt.
I think it's your fault, Ian. I think you've done something wrong.
What about now? Talk to me, Oggy. Talk to me, you cunt. Talk to me now, you little bastard. Oggy. 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 Oh, I shouldn't be doing this. Little basin head.
One eternity later. Coming at you live. Direct with the biggest, fattest joint. Coming in with no flavors.
I've just not had I've not had any good luck today with electrical, have I?
No.
My fucking phone charger weren't working, a wire had come loose under my seat, so I fixed that. And then not GoPros, what the fuck are these called? Cardos. I could hear them, he couldn't hear me. So we pulled up and my fucking mic had disconnected in my cheek pad. So he's done that.
You with me?
Fucking right, I'm Oggy.
Oh, hey, what's up with you?
I'm not staying behind a top heavy van. Oh, Oggy, you scare me, you do, Oggy.
What?
What? Touch my little penis with your tongue, yeah.
Because I bought from Bike Factory, that's the company across to there.
Not motorbike factory, it's Superbike, Og.
What?
Superbike factory, not motorbike factory.
Yeah, hello, and it's the same fucking thing, you dickhead.
Oh, Oggy, it's not, is it? Otherwise it'd be called the motorbike factory.
Wait there, you fucking bellend.
Bellend.
You know why women's knickers have those flowers on the front of them?
Oh, come on.
To commemorate all the faces that have been buried there.
Where are you getting all these shit jokes from?
I like that one.
Where are you getting them all from?
What? I thought it was good in that one. I think that was really. You're going to be saying that one.
No, I won't, Og. Don't you fucking worry about that, mate.
No, when our Jax was fucking 4,
Yeah?
you don't say please in Spanish. That's both for 4, isn't it?
I don't know whether to disconnect my mic and shit.
That's a good one. That's a fucking cracker, that is. 4 for 4.
Which would work if I knew Spanish. You fucking idiot.
I think it's Spanish. I might tell the joke wrong. To get comments on that one.
Oh my god, she's got fucking skinny legs, hasn't she?
You've got no respect for women, you.
Fucking twat.
Come right out so you can't see.
Yeah. Little does he know I'm getting round there. Fuck it, I'm going down.
Yeah, I'll catch it up.
Come on, fuck faces.
Push this away right out on me. Didn't like it when I carried on past him.
I don't fucking like it, Og, do they? Right?
Didn't like it. Didn't like it up people.
Suck my penis, suck it now.
Go on.
What now, Og? Just thinking about penis. Oh, bumpy they are, Og. Fucking hell, it shook the piss out of me, that did. Pluck my little piston with your dick. You're still turning right.
What?
You're still turning right.
Oh, I don't know what you're on about. Fucking dickhead you are. Oh shit. I make everyone think that I'm a fool.
You are a fool, Oggy. You're a fucking fool with them indicators. Fuck me, these roads are shit. I just made sure my fucking indicator went on then. I never checked that. Hey, it's good to be back, Og, innit? It's all clear, Og. This road's a bumpy road here. Watch out for the bumps. Oh, my arsehole is... He's been battered, Og. My arsehole has been battered. Feels like I've been fucking sent down for 6 months, looking like Brad Pitt. Another exciting day over, Og. Oh God, my arsehole is so sore, Oggy. Welcome home, thank you for welcoming me home. Oh my arse, Og.